Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. If you have been following me for a long time right now, you would have seen how we've been predicting this move. At least, this is what around that period of December. I've been talking about natural gas giving us a bearish move. You can see that huge move that we had throughout that month of December. We also entered the month of January. We also had that bearish move. This is the month of February, right? And I'm trying to let you guys know that very soon this bearish move on natural gas will be over. Then what we'll be expecting, in maybe in weeks to come. Let's see in 2, 3, 4 weeks time, there will be a massive movement upward on natural gas, right? I think natural gas is starting to gain price, it's starting to go bullish a little bit, especially the stock and everything. So, well, in soon to come, natural gas will actually go bullish, right? So expect a movement. But right now, we want to know where this price will be moving for this week. Now let's start with the monthly time frame. But before I get started, right, I want to let you guys know that I also have a Patreon channel that I have created, and my intention is that I will be putting out exclusive content there, trade or analysis, that I believe that we have 70 to 90% chance of hitting such trade. That is what I'll be putting in that channel. So check the link below in my comment section. Check it out, give it a try. If at the end of this month you are actually assess everything and you think you are actually not getting the value that I've promised you, or like I said I will give you, then it is simple. You can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Like I said, give it a try. So you actually, will not be disappointed. You actually get the value that I promised to give you. So now let's take a look at natural gas. We can see that this is a massive move, and now this is here is happens to be a pullback. So this is again another massive move. So common sense, right? Technically, you would know that a pullback which will be massive is going to play out anytime soon. So this is why I said a bullish move is coming soon. So maybe in 2 weeks time, in 3 weeks time, or in 4 weeks time, natural gas will be dropping and we'll be going bullish. Sorry, by the way. So now let's go to the weekly time frame. So, by the way, the week that just finished, you actually closed bearish. Like I once said that I've been talking about for some times. In the week we're expecting bearish move, another week, another bearish move, another week we are expecting another bearish move. We can also see that we're also trading below the 10 period simple moving average. Like we always say, we'll be expecting a bearish move. Right now, price is currently trading at 2.493. Have it in mind that this market is yet to close. The market has there closed for today, which is Friday. I am doing this analysis. We have about 1 hour for the market to close, not that much. So maybe once the market close, it should close maybe lower than this level that I've just called. So now this week that we are predicting for, which is the second week of February, I believe natural gas will also close bearish. So by this week, right, that we are predicting for, I will be watching out for a level of 2.278. And repeat again, this week, second week of February that we are predicting for, I personally am watching out for a level of 2.278. Like I said, once price gets to this same level, price can eventually break below it. No doubt about that. Price can eventually break below it, or price might start giving us that bullish move as a pullback we have been expecting. But first, let us hit this level 2.278. So if there's going to be more updates, right? If the bullish move will start, or if the price will continue to drop, I will give you guys an update. But the only people that will get this update is only my Patreon subscribers. That is those who subscribe to my Patreon channel will be able to get such updates. So if you are interested in such updates, you trade natural gas and you are interested in such updates, then check the channel, check the comment section. I'll be pasting a link that you can actually try out and try and register, so you'll be able to get an update from me. Like I said, this week I'm watching out for a level of 2.278. If price breaks below it, no, there's no problem. And if it will continue to go bullish, no problem. All I know, I will give an update to my Patreon subscribers. Now, this is the daily time frame. You can see that this candlestick is getting weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker. You can't really compare it to all these movements here where the price is actually moving fine. It is going. So here, price is actually moving, is getting weaker. Like I said before, like price is a bullish move will play out soon. It just depends, maybe in 2 weeks' time, maybe in 3 weeks' time, or in 4 weeks' time, right? a bullish move will play out. So right now, price is actually becoming weaker. Price is not really moving that much. Sellers are actually not really coming in. They're trying to have like a rethink with this price, change direction. That is everything. But by the way, if you have to trade with the rules of trade what you see and not what you think, we still have no other option, especially if we would want to trade. We have no other option than to go ahead and sell. I mean, it would not make sense for you to just start pulling that buy trigger and start going up, right? I think it's their time, right? We need to get some confirmation that this price is going bullish before we can actually take that bullish move. So if you want to get such movements, subscribe to my Patreon channel so you'll be able to get such movements. Right now, let's take a look at what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So we can see that there is a pullback at this level, right? See the price once range within this level. Once price came to tap this level, we had a breakout of this level. Now a pullback has been made that comes to tap this level. You can see that price has already dropped. A little bit of a pullback has been made here, and now price has already dropped. So expect a mini pullback here. Once that little bit of a pullback maybe come to tap this 10 period simple moving average, you can now go ahead and sell your natural gas for the week. So this second week of February, I'm expecting you would expect it to actually go bearish, at least tap this level that I've just mentioned, right? The level that I called on, which is a level of 2.278. So if in case price drops to that level, you can close your position and take your profits and wait and let's see what price will react next.